Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix laptop password not showing. To start, on the lock screen, you can check that the login is automatic to the system. After seeing this, in the search box, enter accounts. Click on Sign In options. Here in the password section, click Add. After that, enter the password to use, and when finished, click on Next, and then complete the process by clicking on Finish. To verify that the process was correct, log out. Now you must enter a password to access the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.